Brian Reeves from Paranormal Investigations. Welcome to our video channel. What we're going to talk about today is how we use laser pens. Now obviously you've got to be very careful with these. They can be very dangerous. You can lose your eyesight with them, and also if you point one of these in the air you can get arrested because planes get very annoyed if you point one at them. So it is important you use them correctly, but they can be used very successfully on ghost investigations. Now what this particular one's got, it's got a lens filter on the top of it, screwed onto the top. So as a standard one just has a single point of light. What this one's got, it'll actually project, as you can see here, different coloured light beams across the floor or across a wall or across the ceiling. Now the idea of one of these is, if we have a beam of light and a camera filming it, if anything passes and cuts the beam, you can obviously actually see it quite clearly. It cuts the light. So in a dark room, all you will see is those green lights. If something goes in front of it, it actually cuts the beam of light and you can actually see it. So it's easier in a dark room, for instance with a full spectrum camera, to actually see a shadow or an entity actually in the room. You can alter also the beams of light, how far apart they are. You can alter the different shapes. So it's a bit like a kaleidoscope. You can actually alter everything you want to into different patterns. These are really good. The only thing you've got to remember if you take one with you is remember to take spare batteries, and if you want to mount it onto some type of frame aiming across the room, remember to take some sellotape with you, because obviously you also want to sellotape down the switch so it stays on, because obviously as you let it go, it goes off. So there's a few things you have to remember when you take one of these with you, and as we say always, be safe and don't look at the light directly. It's Brian Reeves, Paranormal Investigations. Please click on the links below to have a look where you can buy the articles. Please do subscribe to our video channel and please turn on your notifications.